Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change video background using Kinemaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Kinemaster application, and first of all, we need to add the background for our video. I'm going to select media here, and for the background, I'm just going to select video from the video assets in Kinemaster. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and wait guys, it's still downloading. Okay, done. And then I'm going to add my video. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose video from this folder. I'm going to select this video. I'm going to I'm going to delete it. I'm going to add the video as an overlay. So I'm going to go to the layer and select media. And I'm going to choose video from here, this video guys. Okay, and then I'm going to cut the video to make the process faster. I'm going to click on the video and I'm going to click on split, trim right, and I'm going to adjust the size of the video. I'm going to make it full. Alright, and remove the background of this video. We can select the magic remover. Okay, and wait for a moment. Okay guys, and now it's done, and this is the final result. As you can see that the video background of this video has been changed. Okay, and that's all the way to change video background in Kinemaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.